how to buy PettAI token. So this token came under the symbol of AIP. So before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your accounts, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, this token it's available on CoinGisco. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and as you can see, this token address is come under the business network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitcoin wallet. Go to your wallet. Now select the business network from here, and after that, what you need to do is just click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here, and as you can see, this is our token. Click on plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. Just scroll down until you find your token. So this is now click on it, and after that, click on swap and switch from here. Now from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, but make sure you have enough USDC in your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is after that, it's easy and simple. Click on buy now, and you will be able to buy this token in your wallet. So this is how to buy PettAI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.